How to add link to Facebook story. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Following that, click on Create Story at the top left corner of your home screen. After that, choose the text option at the top of the editor screen. Then click on the sticker icon located on the right hand side. From the available option, select link to add any website. Next, paste or type in the link you want to include. In the custom sticker box, add a short label for clarity. Once done, click on the add button to attach the link. Additionally, if you want to change the style of the link, simply click on it. Furthermore, you can also resize the link. Finally, hit share to upload your story. And just like that, you now know how to add link to Facebook story.